Okay, we're getting the sun panel hooked up here. Blue. Getting the plus and the mins all sorted out for 48, actually 66.7 volts, which drops to 48 for the battery. They get hooked to these main welding cables. Which will transport the power across the moat and over to the through this pipe here, over to the charge controller, and from the charge controller to the batteries, and the batteries up to the air conditioning unit. Still got room for 1, 2, 3, 4 more panels. Amplify the power even some more before we end up with 40 panels, 250 watts each, which would be 10 kilowatts of extra cooling power. So over on this side, the power will go to a switch first, so we can control it before it goes up to the charge controller. We're going to make sure the roof doesn't leak because this charge controller will get wet.
Yes, I'm
and
going
burn
to
out.
Put some plastic here.
Yeah,
I think.
maybe pull it back, put the plastic right behind too.
Yes.
Yeah, just to be safe. Anyhow, the welding cables will be reduced here so we can get them through the switch, through the charge controller, and over to the battery bank and the charge controller. Same with this system here, so we got two 48 volt systems. CM50448Z. And the 8 batteries will go in here, specifically designed for those air conditioning units that are in there, 48 volt. Open voltage 72, with the air conditioners powered at 48 strong volts.